So good morning, fellow YouTubers. My name is Mike. This is the MDH Automotive channel. I hope you can hear me okay. I do not have my external mic with me today. But today we are in the GTO and we are heading out to a car show in Houston, California. Not Houston, California. Actually where I went to high school. It's supposed to be a pretty good sized car show. I'm told there should be right around 200 cars. So this will probably be the biggest one that I've actually been involved in. Now we're heading out early. It's about 8:30 right now. It's not supposed to start until 10. But I figure with that many cars, I want to get a place, get set up, get comfortable, and have some time to look around. So I thought I'd take you guys along. We will definitely be shooting some footage there. So I'm sure there's going to be some very cool cars to share with you. So let's get to it. And there's actually a lot more people than I thought. There's a ton of cars. We're gonna walk down, check in, and check everything out. I've already seen a few vehicles that look familiar to me, a few familiar faces, but one vehicle that definitely caught my eye is, yeah, out of all these, you guys know, or you may not know, but definitely a DeLorean is a bucket list car, and if it's a 5-speed, we may be in trouble. It is. We're in trouble. I have to make friends with the owner immediately. So, see, I noticed Fidel's car, and there's Fidel. There's some orange car that got, I don't know how it slipped in. So it's really nice out today. It's actually supposed to heat up like in the 70s.
In a wonderland without angels, that is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see.
This is cool. Thank you. This is really cool. Yeah, I gotta have one. I gotta have one before I die.
But my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. I'm not sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream! I'm in a twisted reality.
Alright, so I am back home. Again, a very good show. I enjoyed it, nice turnout, and the coolest thing is I got to sit in a DeLorean. That was really cool. I enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed it a lot more than I thought. So could a DeLorean be coming in my future? Maybe. Just maybe. The guy that actually brought the car, the DeLorean, he apparently it's his boss's, and his boss just got it a few months ago. So I told him, I was like, hey, if your boss ever wants to sell it, he's like, I don't think he will. I said, well, hey, maybe he'll trade me something. But the guy did tell me, he said that actually the DeLorean, it does a little bit better than he expected it to. He kind of expected it to be a pig out on the road, but he said it had a little bit more performance than he really thought it was, and he actually did give it up to 88 miles an hour, bringing it to the show. But he said it's kind of heavy steering, so that kind of surprises me with the engine and everything being in the back. But it was really cool just to sit in it, and I enjoyed that. Met a lot of really good people. Some people I already knew. I ran into Fidel and another guy that I had talked to at another car show that was very, very cool. And it was a good time. I met a lot of new people too, and some people who have some very cool cars that I plan to be friends with and touch bases with. And you know, maybe some of their cars will be coming to the channel at some point in time. But again, good time. My battery's dying on the GoPro, so I'm going to wrap it up. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. If you're stopping in for the first time, definitely subscribe to this channel. Share the channel with other people who like automotive, because this is a good time as always. And with that, God bless, take care, have an absolutely amazing day.